birthday has been a blazing gone. My parents and I plus FireTheLier has decided to do a late outing in Feilding of Full-Star Restaurant basically, and I'll link the description of the place and where to find them if you're interested, if you're travelling around New Zealand. And just a heads up, obviously, with the food that I had, it was actually quite delicious, and the customer service was pretty darn quick, even though there was a few hiccups along the way, so to speak, doing that day, even though we had a bit of fun and games and catching up, especially with my parents. So hopefully you'll enjoy this,